another vlog. Yeah, guys. We're going on the road. Nothing major. Drive straight. I don't know about going to town. Where you going to the town, though? Welcome back. Guys, we're going on the Iron Shore side. We're going to Iron Shore. I should look people look like the view car. Turn on the camera. Just giving you a little of the view. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, guys. Just a little midday drive out chat. Going to put on some lip gloss on my lips. I'm looking for police. I said, oh, they're still there behind me. And I would then no business. Put an indicator. Oh. I believe in a bush. How them business are go out? Yes, them business. Now we drive down after a hill. And them they go about for them business. That's better. No, you want to talk?
You want to talk?
Yeah. It's a
pick up your roll. Sister-in-law, Emma in-law just to see it. See it?
You love me, sweet.
Yeah, that's
Oh, God.
one of these boys just have to realize about the train.
Yeah, guys, nice to come midday drive out. Sean can stop and buy something. Some blended juice. Don't forget up on the highway for that. Yeah.
Go outside with there now.
I need to look at the view for the people. I have to get seen look at the view from the people. No. Pay attention to your road. Because you're so tight. But this road that tight, you know. Yeah, guys. I'm trying to get some view for y'all. Some of the look of view. The run is her name?
Golf.
Golf, yeah, we're up on the golf side.
Yeah,
now the World Cup ball.
Yeah.
Oh.
Golf ball,
Okay. I don't want to show me people them it now and next time I have to go come video it. The World Cup ball. It represents when Jamaica won the World Cup. I don't know what year it was. Those time I was a child, a baby, probably. May I Google it, guys? The World Cup ball. It look clean though, like they wash it. And it look closer, it looks so nearer. Like since the hurricane blow, true because so much trees fall down or something, you don't notice how it look. You can see it better now. Only on the highway we could almost see it. It never so clear from around now outside there, so remember me too. The tree them will blow down, make you can, and the ball look white like they wash it.
Rainwater, man.
Oh. Yeah. We're passing soldier camp. How much years now this soldier camp is set up out here, you know? Trying to COVID. It's a soldier camp, guys. Dunsman. Oh. Oh. I try to get content for me people and me love, because I'm serious about my YouTube thing. I like it. I like the whole vlogging aspects of it. And you know, yeah, I like it. I think I want to try it. I'm trying to stay consistent. You know? And all of that. Yeah, then I ask someone to me get so good at it. Me turn big YouTuber like it chat. Me turn big YouTuber.
Once you blow up on one channel, you go blow up on the rest of them. Because one channel will take for you blow up on. People blow up on the rest of them.
Me tell you, the thing about it is consistency. You see like how me just start off now?
Yeah.
Me know me not gonna get no views and no likes and something there, but me not gonna watch that, bro, because at the end of the day, me not really do it for the likes and thing as yet. Because me know so when time people just start off, we're so me and no big influencer on Instagram or TikTok or none of that. So, nobody know me. I'm basically a ghost starting out,
Yeah.
So it's gonna take time to grow, and I'm patiently waiting. Me can't wait. Cause I don't like me did want to start off and just blow up, which would be nice, but me can't wait patiently and learn as me go, because I'm going into a field where I don't really know much about it,
Yeah.
So I'm learning and growing as I go along. So I know yes. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Cause we hard clean, So good people are gonna follow we. And we then I know run games. We used to drive through them places every morning and every evening. Back in 2020, when I was working at Teamwork Associates. Did I tell you about that job there? So me I work at Teamwork. I was doing housekeeping up there back in 2020 in the COVID aspect, and it never really used to pay much. I was there like 20,000 a 2 week, yeah. And so me I hustle a long time, Chevron, right? So say I be a policeman stay up there and it's something because the government would have a contract with them to accommodate the officers them that are not from the parish of down here. So I be a town police and country police and something. So what I usually do as my side hustle, remember so them not really down here with no family or nothing. Them want people to wash them or something. So that I did my side also to make up my 20 grand. Me used to wash them clothes weekend time. Me and my few local police officer them we used to support the little hustle. And me wash them, then by the fab and then thing, and me wash them in a Teamwork machine. But the thing about it, I could only do it on Saturday and Sunday because I can't do it during the week when time manager did there. You understand? Cause I do it, Yeah, so me used to did have to just me used to say roadblock always there, so yeah, me notice. Me used to do that as my side hustle. Me used to have my little officers them support the little hustle and them way there. Yeah. Long time girl a hustler. I'm wash them clothes so good, fold them up nicely. And the things them make me little money. Me used to clean their room differently cause she man take time now. I wonder if I be a breeze in my feed them wine up a glass. The thing about it, right? When I was working up there doing the housekeeping, guys, my responsibility was to clean the bath. Remember, up there is a big place, so it has in the shower area. It have a lot of stalls. Like I don't like one shower in there or one toilet. You have like 6, 7, 8 toilet in a one, and you have like 10 shower in a, part side and side and side. So me have like 10 showers I wash a day. Yeah. And plus you have downstairs as well, and because the place big, bro, a whole bathroom we used to clean, bro. And then you have public spaces them same way. Like down where they eat lunch and breakfast, you have bathroom down there, so same way, different from where they in bed. So we used to be cleaning a lot of bathroom back then for the 20,000 every 2 weeks. That couldn't do nothing for me. Me have to pay a driver for ferry. Me have to buy food plus go back at work. Me a woman, me want things too. It was a lot. But in that period of time, I'm not gonna lie, I did have the help of my big man, Brian. I always talk about him. They have Brian little help, and Brian used to carry me at work. So I tell you, I used to drive through here, so every morning and every evening. Because Brian used to carry me at work. Just to make me save money, because Yeah. Those were the days, man. Those are the days, guys. The thing about it, you know, you have to appreciate your journey. You have to appreciate your journey and how far you've come. And you can't share my struggle. Because you see, if you share my struggle, you're not going to know where you go. Ooh.